Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss return types in C. This is continuation to previous video, part 4, data types in C. Please go through previous video before going to this video. We are going to discuss void, return type, what is calling function, what is called function, what are arguments, what are parameters in this program. We'll discuss these concepts using VS Code, launch VS Code and create C application. Here we have main function and return type is integer, and here we have open and closed braces. Inside these braces we have statements. Function contains collection of statements. Main is an entry point for an execution. Now we'll create few functions. Here void add and pass parameters int a comma int b. Here int c equal to a plus b. Print the output printf add percentage d slash n comma c. Create one more function. Here int subtraction int a comma int b int c equal to a minus b. Here this function is returning integer. We need to return c. Create one more function float multiplication float a comma float b float c equal to a into b. Here multiplication function returning float, we need to return output. Here return c. These are the three functions. We need to invoke these three functions from main function. We need to get input from command prompt int a comma b printf enter a and b scanf percentage d space percentage d comma address of a comma address of b. Invoke add and subtraction functions. Add, this add method taking two integer values, here a comma b. Subtraction a comma b. Will invoke multiplication function. This function taking two float values will pass values directly. Mult here 4.3 comma 5.2. If you put cursor on add method, this add method taking two integer values and returning void. If you put cursor on subtraction, it's taking two integer values and returning integer. Here mult method taking two float values and returning float. Subtraction method output stored in integer variable int sub equal to sub of a comma b. Here float multiplication equal to multiplication of 4.3 comma 5.2. We need to print the output. Here printf subtraction percentage d slash n comma sub. Here printf. Here output is in the form of float. We need to use percentage f format specifier. Here percentage f slash n comma multiplication. Execute this code. Control F5. Enter a and b 6 3. Here addition is equal to 9, subtraction is equal to 3, multiplication is equal to 22.3. We will write comment multiplication. Now we'll debug this program. Put breakpoint here. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11, enter A and B values. Here 6, 3. Here add of A comma B. Here 6 comma 3. We are invoking this function F11. Here A is equal to 6, B is equal to 3. In C is equal to A plus B. That means C is equal to 9. And print the output. Here add method return type is void. That means it will not return anything. What it means is, here we are telling like we are providing two input values and telling add two input values. Later we are not expecting output from this function, so that function return type is void. F11. Here we are calling subtraction method and passing two input values. We are telling like subtract two values and returning the output F11. Here A is equal to 6, B is equal to 3. Here C is equal to 3. We are returning the output. This subtraction method return type is integer F11. Here this function is written integer value. So that integer value stored into subtraction variable. Here sub is equal to 3 and print the output. Later we are invoking multiplication and passing two values. This function return type is float. That means multiply these two values and return the output. Here we are returning the output. Multiplication is equal to 22.3 and type is float and print the output. Here we are getting output as. Now you see each one. Void means nothing written. That means here this method return type is void. This method will execute, but this method will not return to calling function return type. Here subtraction method and multiplication method returning integer and float. That means this function will execute and return the output to calling function, and here we need to store that output in the variable. Here we have calling function and called function. What is calling function? The function calling to some other function, that is called calling function. What is called function? The function called by some other function, that is called called function. Here we have add method. This method is invoking add method. This is calling function. And this is called function. What is calling function? The function calling to some other function. Here this one calling to add function. So this is calling function. What is called function? The function called by some other function, that is called called function. This add method called by this one. So this is called function. Later we have arguments, parameters. The values passed in calling function, then those are arguments. Here A and B are arguments. The values passed in called function, those are parameters. Here int A comma int B are parameters. Parameters can be declared with data type. What we discussed in this program is, we discussed about void, return type, calling function, called function, arguments and parameters. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.